Have you ever hit that submit button on your tax return, only to realize a moment later that you might have missed something important or even made a tiny mistake? It is a common moment of panic, but here is some good news. The answer is absolutely yes. You can indeed change a filed tax return. The official way to do this is by filing an amended return using Form 1040X, which is called the Amended U.S. Individual Income Tax Return. This form is your go-to solution for making corrections to a return you have already sent to the Internal Revenue Service. Form 1040X is specifically designed for situations where you need to report changes to your original tax return. This could be anything from realizing you forgot to include some income, discovering you missed a valuable deduction or credit, or even if your filing status was incorrect. The Internal Revenue Service provides this pathway because they understand that mistakes happen. Generally, you have a 3-year window from the date you filed your original return, or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later, to file this amended return. This time frame ensures you have ample opportunity to correct any oversights. So, how do you actually go about amending your return? First and foremost, resist the urge to simply refile your original return with the corrections. That will only cause confusion. Instead, you will need a blank Form 1040X. Gather all your essential documents, including a copy of your original tax return, any W-2 forms or 1099 forms, and any receipts or statements that support the changes you want to make. Carefully fill out Form 1040X. This form has columns to show the original amounts, the corrected amounts, and the net change. It also includes a section where you must clearly explain the reason for your amendment. Be thorough and precise in this explanation. If you are amending schedules or other forms, you will need to attach the corrected versions to your Form 1040X. Once everything is complete, you will generally mail the form to the Internal Revenue Service, as e-filing for amended returns is typically not available. A key insider tip is to remember that amended returns are processed separately from original returns. This means they often take longer for the Internal Revenue Service to handle, sometimes several months. It is always wise to keep a complete copy of your amended return and all supporting documentation for your personal records. This way, you have everything on hand if you need to refer back to it or answer any questions. Making adjustments to your tax return through Form 1040X is a straightforward and important part of maintaining accurate financial records. It offers you the flexibility and confidence to ensure your tax situation truly reflects your income, deductions, and credits. This process empowers you to proactively manage your tax obligations, giving you peace of mind that your financial house is in order.